Guys, this is new era, this is new strategy, this is new idea, this is absolutely new different kind of income stream for you. Because I have been doing this not only with my pizza place, I have been doing the same with the private clients what I have right now. I have private clients on eBay, few of them only, all right? But I have a private clients in my another business, which is I'm helping small businesses to double their sales. Guys, double their sales, double customers for them. If you are running business and let's say you have whatever you have one person business you are running, gym you are running, or you are the whatever, you are the network marketer. I don't care who you are. If you are running small business, applying this method, I am doubling them business. That's why people paying me 1,500 per month started per month, because I'm doing the same for them. That's why I am like so passionate about this, because this stuff works. All right, this stuff works. Okay, I don't want to go deep in that, but just to give you some idea that this really works, and I'm very excited about this. Basically, I will not gonna teach you the things how to do this exactly step by step, piece by piece. I will gonna give you idea. Okay, you have to learn yourself. Okay, I will not gonna make another course on this, how to do this step by step. As I said, there is a ClickFunnels. You can go there and work with them, and you find out how to do this. I'm just showing what I'm doing. Of course, obviously, where is the perfect buyer? As everybody, normal people, they are on a Facebook. Isn't that right? They are on Facebook, okay? Well, actually, if you are selling, let's say, if you are selling skateboards, you have to probably target maybe Snapchat or Instagram. But in my case, for this purpose, I targeted audience on a Facebook, because my perfect buyer are, I have to define I have to target the audience, and my perfect buyer is, it's not shown here, but it's on an age between 40 and 60 years old man. That's what I was targeting, whose interest is camping, park, traveling, RVS, of course, and they are active credit card users and engaged shoppers, online shopping, and of course, I'm narrowing down all the audience down to the eBay. Because if they are not on eBay, if they don't have eBay account, it makes really difficult for me to, if they will push the button there, click the button there, and they come to eBay site and they are, oh, eBay, no, not eBay. But if they are already eBay members, and this is why the power of Facebook comes here, because I narrow it down the audience down to the eBay. They must be a member of eBay. They are familiar with eBay, and it makes just one click for them to order their 2-day free shipping, 60-day guarantee, money back guarantee. There is no questions. Why? We can generate up to 83% of conversions. Okay. So that's why we need, guys, only maximum, as I said, maximum 60 products. You don't have to start with the 60 products. You don't have to make 60 funnels. You start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right? And that's where you start. That's where you expand. You have to learn. This is the learning curve. This is the process in a progress. Again, process in a progress. Okay? So, by saying this is what I made. I made very I had my, this is hidden because I don't want to go to my page. I don't want, again, I'm a little bit smart, guys, okay? I'm not so fool that many of you think. And please, don't do this, okay? Don't try to list the same scissor socket now, because everybody, can you imagine, guys? Thousands and thousands of people, if we'll start to use the same picture right now, what I'm showing to you, the same text, what I'm showing to you right now, and everything, like the same titles, the same everything, this is nonsense. Okay, take your own product, create your own system and stuff like this. I'm showing you, just I'm giving you, I'm transferring idea to you. I want to implement this idea into your mind, how it's possible. Okay, so the pictures here, what I discovered this when I was working on a pizza place and promoting them. We use a lot of videos, and funny videos, or at least funny pictures. Do not use standard kind of pictures. Try to use funny pictures. Okay, this is kind of like, what's that? I learned this stuff from the ClickFunnels. Okay, I learned from those guys, from the Russell, who is the owner of the ClickFunnels. Okay, and also not only from him but from different marketers, that you have to use the pictures which they drive attention. Okay, so. And I'm not the best copywriter. I know this. This is probably, if the copywriters will gonna see this, they will say, "Hey, you are absolutely, this is crazy. This is stupid. No, don't do this. You will have nothing, no results." And so, well, I don't think so. At least my targeted audience was good. 80 comments, I got 10 shares, and 4,000 views I got. All right. So, and quite a good response. That's why I was able to sell 190 per month. Those pieces here. That's why I was able to get results like this. Okay, why I got 5 views per hour, and why I got sold in the first hours. I got already 4 sales. That's why it's possible. That's why this is possible. 83 view per day, and 90 and 190 sold per month. Okay, this is not GTS. That's how it's possible. Okay, guys. You have to do this on a Facebook. You can open a Facebook page. You can make everything for free. This is no problem at all. Okay? Then you come out with your idea, what audience you are targeting, connected to your product. Is it for the ladies? Is it for the men? Is it for household? Okay? Are they interested here gardening stuff? Or they just maybe they are new moms, and you are selling children's toys. Okay, automatically you will choose only moms, not the men, because men, they don't care about the toys. Moms, they care about the toys. So you will target only those moms in a certain age, probably, let's say from 18 till I don't know, 30 or 27, it's up to you, okay, who are on eBay. All right, you got targeted audience. You got very laser targeted audience, and your possibility to sell is so high. I think if you still wonder how you can sell every hour, I don't know what else I can tell to you. I don't know really, guys. Do you understand how easy it is now? Okay, so this was step number 5. All right, make your Facebook stuff, make your advertising stuff. Don't go for $100 advertising. You can do it for free if you want, if you know how to do this. I have been doing this for free as well on a pizza place when I was working there as a customer manager. I just made a nice post here, and I was like asking for comments, to leave the comments, to leave the shares. It's up to you guys. I'm not the marketer. Okay, I'm not the marketer. I'm just learning. But even with my 0 to let's say 3% skills, maybe out of 100% skills, with my 3% 3 to 5% skills on marketing here, if I can make money, if you are doing some marketing and you know how to do the Facebook ads and stuff like this, you are making fortune here. Okay, the client what I was using, for example, he is much better on a Facebook. He's much better with computers. Okay, but what I was doing with him, I told the story that how we took it down, the guy, okay, who was following us, and he made from 795 listings. We downsized his listings to 60, and his sales went up crazy, absolutely insane. because he is good. He is much better than me on computers. That's why it's easy for him in this area. In my expertise is on eBay. So I brought my expertise to him, and he is teaching some stuff to me. All right. So it's kind of like trade, nice trade. All right. So by saying this, step number 5, do your Facebook stuff, find out about this targeted audience, and you are cashing money in as a crazy. Let's see who in step number 6. We have a few more steps to go.